Liver 5 or LIGO is a Leo connecting point or a junction point of the liver. This point is also known as draining shells, which indicates purity. The calabash shell was used in Taoist practice as a sacrificial or measuring vessel due to its yin-like form and quality. Also, the lateral view of the gastrocnemius muscle is said to resemble a shell. This point is also known as insect itch. Insect itch is said to refer to the sensation of an insect crawling on the skin. This point is used particularly for genital itching, vaginal discharge, and cloudy urine and irritability. The wood element is responsible for the tendons, and the genitals are considered the gathering place of the sinews. Looking at the liver meridian, the primary pathway encircles the genitals. The connecting and sinew muscle pathways pass through the genitals, and the divergent meridian rises to the pubic area. So, the liver has great influence over this area connected to procreation. The liver Leo connecting meridian departs from here, connecting with the gallbladder meridian, and flows up the medial aspect of the thigh to encircle the genitals. Liver 5 is said to form jing or essence, and so is used in many sexual dysfunctions relating to the liver and kidney, premature ejaculation, sterility, and priapism. The power of the liver is birth, and in a state of health, all the resonance of the upward-outward movement of spring, growth, the unfolding of a life are found here. If liver energy is lacking, then this development is disrupted, frustrated, timid, and frightened rather than bold and assertive. If liver blood is also deficient, you see people who are easily startled, who stop and start and cannot manifest a smooth progression in their life. The liver stores the blood, and the smooth flow of liver energy is what ensures the correct release and flow of blood. This point enriches yin, contains the blood, spreads liver energy, is used for many menstrual problems, and sustains and soothes the spirit. This point also affects the throat, through which the deep pathway of the liver meridian passes, and is used for stagnation of liver energy in the throat, causing a feeling of a lump in the throat or a plump stone feeling, and for moving stagnation of operation, worry, depression when the spirit of wood needs purifying, when there is frustration and depression, can't see the wood for the trees. Liver 5 harmonize and calm the spirit. As a Leo connecting point, it brings stability and harmony to all interactions of the liver and gallbladder. The gallbladder, as an extraordinary 4 organs, works only with what is pure, clear, and decisive. This point maintains their smooth relations, whether at the level of coordinating the timing of the release of blood to the extremities, making a start on a plan, or having hope for the future. Liver 5 is indicated for what type of depression, irritation, and vexation of the spirit, hopelessness. It transforms damp heat, especially in the lower abdomen. It treats sexual disorders, menstrual problems, irregular menstruation, endometriosis, abnormal uterine bleeding, uterovaginal prolapse, genital itching, muscle spasm of the lower back, and lower abdominal fullness. Although it is less powerful than liver 3, but liver 5 regulates the energy, particularly it affects the energy and symptomatology of the liver meridian. Liver energy stagnation, menstrual problems, issues of the mind and spirit to do with growth, vision, and hope.